how you can bring back the status vertical style in your WhatsApp. Now, in the latest WhatsApp update, you can see that the status in your WhatsApp is different. You will see it like it's on the messenger right now. Now, I'll teach you guys how you can bring it back, the previous one. So before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So first thing you'll want to do is open up your WhatsApp. After you do so, go to the update section on the bottom left. Now there you will see the updates status. So here what you'll need to do is, if you have just followed channels on your WhatsApp, you will need to unfollow them. Now to do that, just open up the channel, tap on the top right and unfollow the channel. Now that's one way to do it. The other way is long pressing on the channel and just unfollowing it from there. After you do that, you will see that your status is back to the vertical style on your WhatsApp. So yeah, that is all for the video guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.